We could definitely fit like a barbell in here.
Oh. It's stupid.
It's stupid.
Hey guys, welcome back to Sean and Ash. We're Sean and Ash.
It's us.
We're turning this school bus into our first home together, and we have some updates. Yesterday, Sean made our understorage boxes with our welder, who you know helped us out with our roof deck.
Metal warriors.
So now we have this awesome understorage box.
By the way, is that like our new catchphrase? That's set in stone. Sean and Ash. We're building this school bus into our new home. It's like a Jenga set. Jeez. And this thing should be in there like swimwear. This is our own makeshift jack here. What are you gonna do? The box is built. I'm currently within it. Now, before we put any aluminum sides on or the door, I'm gonna spray some of this truck underbed paint, and it's gonna, stop it from rusting and, protect it from debris and stuff. So a bit of a slow start today. Me and Ashley got to the bus and it won't start. Yeah, it's happened a few times. I usually go over to our mechanics, which is right down the street, and I'll get a battery jump pack. But I just want to see if this works, because sometimes my car will be able to and sometimes it won't. Oh yeah, she started. Didn't need much.
Our tires are kind of low. They're just so expensive to replace. We kind of planned on doing it all at once. So it looks like we might have to do that earlier than we anticipated. We have an awesome mechanic in Orlando who helped us while we were purchasing the bus. And he said, before you guys go out on your big journey, come back, visit me. There's a few things I want to tweak on the bus. So that's something we want to do. We have a new fan going on. Hey! It honestly feels pretty nice. They have both fans on.
Yeah, not that bad. To a switch, so we don't have to run the wire.
Sean insulated up here and it looks crazy.
Looks legit, right?
But it looks insulated, so. It's pretty big. You can lay in it. So we know it holds
a lot of stuff.
Yeah, a lot of stuff.
That's a lot of man.
Right here is bolted into the bus and welded on at a couple spots, right?
Yeah.
And then this metal that we got for an incredible price, we riveted into the box. So riveted all around with a couple of L brackets. It's pretty cool. Look, I can't believe you made it by yourself. After all this time, you've been
Well,
looking to buy one of these, and you ended up making it.
I mean, I had a lot of help, I'll be honest. But I think I could have, like, done the whole thing. I think it
Honestly?
would work out, because if we're, like, making food, lay out all the buns, and the cilantro, and the oregano, and the burger meat, and the grill's right there, and my brewski's right here, and my baby's right
So you named buns and then herbs. Classic.
You could wrap a piece of wood, of plywood, in aluminum, and it'll be like a cutting board. Like,
would you rather do gas struts or have a chain from like here to here?
gas struts are more expensive, obviously.
We could definitely fit like a barbell in here. We could get like a smaller barbell.
They make barbells that, you know, retract. I'm gonna make the door for our storage bay. Here's how I'm doing it. I'm just gonna cut some 2x2s to make the square or the rectangle. Me and Ashley took the measurements earlier today. I'll kind of show you exactly how I do it. Cut lengths of wood.
All right, we have the bus at home today, and we're gonna be finishing up the door and the last side of our storage box. We wanted the door for this storage box to double as a countertop, cooking or whatever it is. Sean made a frame out of 2x2s, and we're gonna be wrapping this with the aluminum and then hinging it on to the side of the bus. Right now, I'm just gonna paint it with this seal stuff, and then I'll show you how we wrap it.
Apply liberal amounts. Good job. I'm excited. I think this is going to be really cool.
The beautiful thing about today is that it's actually starting to cool down a little bit. It's about 10:30 right now, but there's a cool breeze coming through. It's warm. Florida begins to cool down. Kind of nice. You know what this reminds me of? Like the way that you cut this.
What?
You know how you would get math problems in
Yeah.
like middle school that you would have to figure out how to make this shape and you would have to draw it? I was really bad at those, so good thing you clearly remembered.
I hope this works. I hope I can bend them. I should be able to.
Fun fact, my sister's first word was sawzall.
Are you serious?
Yeah. You can do anything with a sawzall.
So I'm gonna clamp this.
That whole thing I said about it starting to be cooler out? Never mind. I think it's definitely working. We have a whole other side to go here and a rainstorm to fight off. Oh.
I think we should just like sit it on its face and put some like heavy ass weights on it.
Moment of truth. Sorta. Whoa. We hate it. It's stupid.
It's stupid. We should have just had like a shop wrap it, or at least make us a frame, but I wanted to do it myself and I didn't have the right tools. I'm not having this bodged up thing sitting on the side of our bus.
Oh, it looks terrible. So, you guys will have to come back to find out what we do, because it's not this.
It's a lot of freaking room.
Hey guys, this is kind of where we left you off. we were pretty unhappy with how that door came out, and it was kind of disappointing just because it was a whole day worth of work and about $200 worth of metal, so you know, it happens, but we're just kind of bummed with how it came out. We obviously plan on fixing it. We'll probably get it professionally done this time. But next week we will hopefully start working on our propane hookup and getting our stove and our kitchen set up. So thank you guys for coming back, and we'll see you next week.